For the recipe, we need purple potatoes, fresh cheese, potato starch, and salt. This is for the cream. We need heavy cream, Serrat d'O Vella sheep cheese, black pepper, salt, pork cracklings, and chives. Let's peel the potatoes. This is a purple potato that, as you can see, has purple skin, but is white inside like a normal potato. We cut it into cubes and boil it. Once boiled, we drain it and pass it through a masher or crush it. Next, we white it and add 10% of its weight in fresh cheese or mascarpone can also be used. Then, we add 1/8 of the weight in potato starch. Mix it well and let it cool. Once cool, we shape it into small balls and place them on a tray. We cook them in the oven at 100 degrees for 10 minutes. For the cream, heat the cream, and when it starts to reduce, we add the grated Serrat d'O Vella sheep milk cream. When the cream starts to set, we add salt and pepper and set it aside. To plate, we pulse 10 or 12 gnocchi on the plate and cover them with the cheese cream we made. We add pork cracklings toasted in the oven and sprinkle with chopped chives, salt, and pepper. And this is the Ecotourist recipe for purple potato gnocchi with Serrat d'O Vella cheese cream.